2 points. LA, oh, slicing in, that's foul. Okay. Sige, okay na yun. 4-0. Mirafuentes! No! Ball ball on the move. Inside. Oh! Slightly Sergey! JJ Cabrera. Taking. Thompson. Connects! That's 2 points.
Dito na lang. Kulang up. Foul. Effective yung patela, ano mo ah.
Nakakatakbo, no?
Nakakabali. Woo! That's Pau, Lamelo Pau.
2 points. Oh, wow. 2 points. Pico for 3. Oh. That's still on the move. 6. No. Oh, the pass. No, denied by Kingdom of Fuentes. Oh, rejected. These are Jay. Fouls like these are King. Fast break na naman.
Kuya Kim.
4-6. Kondisyon. Oy, stolen. Oh, huli ka!
Kuya Kim. Another deflection. Up. Fake it. Huli nga. All 6. Ikaw? Ganda ito yung mag-catch mo. Pero yung floating ko na dito. Nakabend pa rin tuhod. Tapos tsaka mo nirelease pag on the way na pataas. Tapos pag-catch tapos nakaka-square ka na agad. Woo! Ganda, shooting session tayo kuya. Shooting session ba? Kayo sa inyo? Kami nung nag-dubalin ko sa sandal kami kada corners. Pagod talaga kami. Sabi ko, sandang siya, sablay yung pasok. Tapos, ano na lang kami, mag-unod ka na kami kila din ito. Tapos, balik namin. Ganun ulit, tapos tinignan ako na yung nag-improve. Kung saan mas mataas yung percentage ng tira. Oo, ginagawa ko natin. Tapos ano, naging under 30 minutes na. Under 80 minutes na. Tapos natatok. Basket change score!
Change score.
Score natin all 8.
All 8.
Time remaining, guys, 2 minutes. First free throw. No good. Let's go down at 14-12. In favor of the Rebels team. Alba! They make the way back. Number 3 pass to Wilpon. Wilpon. Para kay bowling up.
Good, stop.
Yeah. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 23. Loader. Easy basket. 15-14. That's 1 minute. Pass away a ball. Baba, pulling out. Rebound by number 25. Number 23, nagkala ng bola. 40 seconds. Sayang. Last 30 seconds, lamang.
Next one.
25 seconds. What the heck? Foul.
Sir Jay, yan yung magiging katuwa.
Last 19 seconds.
Yun o.
Isa na naman. No good.